In future warfare, having a next-generation fighter jet alone will not be enough. What will matter just as much is the kind of robotic partners that fly alongside it. The era of lone fighter jets charging into enemy airspace is slowly coming to an end. The future belongs to teamwork, not just between pilots, but between humans and machines. Future jets will not fly alone. They will fly with loyal wingmen. As the United States moves forward with its sixth-generation fighter program, equal attention is being given to the drones that will fight beside it. To understand why this matters, we need to look at how air combat evolved. Earlier generations of fighter jets focused on speed, altitude, and basic radar. Then came the transition from third to fourth generation, bringing better avionics and more advanced weapons. The fifth generation, with aircraft like the F-35, introduced stealth and sensor fusion. But the next revolution is not about flying faster or becoming harder to detect. The real shift is about cooperation between man and machine. Despite rapid advances in artificial intelligence, future air forces are not removing pilots from the cockpit. Instead, technology is being built to support the pilot, not replace him. AI can process information faster, track multiple targets at once, and react in milliseconds. But war is not only about reaction speed, it is about intent, strategy, and ethical judgment. These are things only humans truly understand. That is why the US is not building fully independent robotic fighters. Instead, it is developing semi-autonomous loyal wingmen under the Next Generation Air Dominance Program. The upcoming sixth-generation fighter, often referred to as the F-47, is expected to operate with 2 to 5 loyal wingman drones. These drones will be stealthy, long-range, and capable of high-speed flight. They will fly in formation with the manned jet, sharing data in real time, but they will not simply follow orders blindly. Loyal wingmen will jam enemy radars, scout deep inside hostile territory, carry extra missiles, and strike targets when commanded. The pilot becomes more than a fighter. He becomes a mission commander, one human, controlling an entire aerial team. The US plans to produce around 1,000 loyal wingmen in different phases. In the first phase, companies like General Atomics and Anduril Industries were selected to lead development. Their prototypes are already flying. The XQ-58A is designed to escort manned aircraft, provide electronic warfare support, and assist in surveillance missions. The XQ-44A is built for more dangerous tasks, including deep penetration strikes and suppressing enemy air defenses. Alongside them, the XQ-58A Valkyrie is being developed as a low-cost stealth drone. It can scout ahead, carry missiles, or take risks where losing a manned jet would be unacceptable. Major defense companies like Northrop Grumman and Lockheed Martin are also preparing for future phases. Projects like Talon and Vectis focus on AI teamwork, swarm tactics, and long-range strike missions. Another important platform is the MQ-28 Ghostbat, a joint US-Australia project already undergoing operational testing. China is also moving fast in this race. It is developing its own sixth-generation fighters and loyal wingman drones. China's approach is different. It focuses on highly capable autonomous drones and even two-seat fighters, where one pilot can manage wingmen, while the US emphasizes innovation and mass production. China prioritizes raw capability. Who will gain the advantage remains uncertain. But one thing is absolutely clear. The future sky will not be filled with jets flying alone. It will be humans and machines fighting together, flying side by side.